Hello everybody and welcome back. And today we are going to talk about accent in French. And it has nothing to do about my strong French accent, no. Accent markers or diacritics are these little guys you see on top of the letters sometimes. And you'll see them pop up all over the place in our French course, so hit the link in the description to see what it looks like. This accent can only be found on top of the E. This other mark can be found on top of A, E, and U. And finally, this final mark can be found on top of all of the vowels. For some of them, it doesn't change how you pronounce them, but it will change the meaning of the word. For example, from A, which means has, to A, which means at or to. Or from ou, which means or, to où, which means where. And it's also true with the accent circonflexe, this guy, which can make it switch from sur, on, to sur, sure. But you pronounce a and a, ou and ou, sur and sur exactly the same way. However, it is a bit different for the letter E. This 3 accent mark change the way you pronounce the letter E. From E to E, or E to E, or E to E. And you can find these differences in words like élève, légère, célèbre, or décès. Check out Mango's apps for mobile and desktop, and you'll find all of these words all along our chapters and unit. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a thumb up, and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching, et à bientôt.